Another busy week ahead, but I have finished my meal plan. I started by taking a quick inventory of what I already have, and I shopped in my own refrigerator, freezer, and pantry to avoid waste. Then I looked in my workbook, and in the front, it tells me what's in season right now, so I can fill in with the groceries I need. And then I made a meal plan. Hey, I've been under the weather, and I have a busy week ahead. But instead of ordering out a couple of days to give myself a little grace, I just got some more convenient ingredients. So I got these already cooked and peeled hard-boiled eggs. They're going to be part of some of my bento breakfasts, go on salads as a snack. That's going to help me out a bit. And then I got this sliced grass-fed beef sirloin. This is already cooked. It just needs to be warmed up so that it'll take care of a protein for a meal, maybe 2 this week, and I'll have some spare to freeze. But these are just some items that are good quality, that are going to save me some time without caving and ordering out, which is usually not the best quality and it costs more. So hope your meal plan is what you want it to be for the week. If you need any ideas, tips, have questions, just send me a message.